My name is Lane Collins, and I have been a customer of Hance Paint and Body for about 25 years. I first started coming here when it was owned by the original owner, Roy Hance, and when I came back as an adult in 1995, I met Rob Mays. Since then, I've brought every one of my family members, all of my friends, and the general reason is when you come to this body shop, you find that Rob has an attention to detail that you just don't find at any other place. All of his staff, himself, are top-notch people. The attention to detail that Rob puts to each of his customers' cars, you can see it from all the cars that are out front that get delivered when the customers pick them up. Rob is outstanding. He's more knowledgeable about insurance companies than just about anybody I know. So when it comes to whether or not something's going to get paid for by the insurance company, or what level of work, what level of service they're going to provide, Rob is excellent at dealing with the insurance company so that you really never have to. You don't deal with your adjuster. Rob handles all those tricky spots, knows how to talk to them, knows how to negotiate with them, knows how to work with them. And so you're guaranteed that you're going to have a flawless delivery, a flawless experience. It's Rob's ability to under-promise and over-deliver is why I send all of my friends and family to Hance Paint and Body. This is the only body shop that I would refer any family or friends. No matter what kind of car you're driving, whether it's the highest end or the lowest end, it doesn't matter. You get the same attention to detail and quality of service that you're just not going to find anywhere else.